is long as fuck. It's so hot. Bro, it's crazy. The freaking, I'm so sweaty. I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Hold on. Okay, we're driving home now.
It's so hot. I'm burnt. I was sweating buckets. Like, since I didn't know I could sweat at, I was sweating.
We spent $260.
Yeah, we waited for 2 fucking hours. We met,
I feel like we got some good stuff though.
yeah, we met like 2 girls. They were so sweet.
No, I know. I got one of their Instagram.
But, yeah, we're on our way back home. Look, that's our little trash bag back there. My freckles are popping, but it's also because
Rosacea is popping.
Sierra.
Ooh, alright. Do I got one?
Country road to.
We're doing great. We're going to a grad party now. The drive back was terrible. I ended up in Oceanside with the wrong way. Truck is back like 30 minutes. That's fine. We're here now. Samantha's burnt, so we're gonna go to the grad party. And then go get her some aloe. And then come home and take a nap now.
Granny, get out of the road!
My channel just got done at the grad party. Just got done with the grad party, going back home. We were gonna go to Rite Aid to get Savannah some aloe because her bag is red as fuck. I have homework to do. I gotta do some history. Tomorrow's my last day off.
Hey guys, it's currently like 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go to the beach with Ellie for a little bit. Show your outfit. Show your outfit. Wow! Where's your jeans from Garage, top from Brandy. My bathing suit is from I don't know, and my bottoms are from Shein.
Oh, Ellie, can you move? Nah, I didn't mean like that. Shorts are from Garage. Shirt is from Kim and Kylie. Bathing suit top is from pacsun. Bathing suit bottoms are from Shein. Nana's Birch from Target.
Oh yeah, my flip-flops are from Target.
We're gonna go to the beach. I didn't really burn it. It was red yesterday, but it's not red now.
Yeah, we are gonna go bye-bye. Hey, where's your damn shoes?
Ellie, can you do a spin? Whoa! Beach, we got Ellie. Ellie's about to go feel the water.
It's freaking freezing. Wow!
Not a beach girl. Do you like the beach?
Mama!
Do you like the beach?
No. And my burn is burning. She sneezed on you?
Yes.
We're only gonna be here for a little bit. It's currently like 9 something. We're gonna leave at like 10:30 because Sierra has stuff to do. But yeah, Ellie does not like the water, but it's pretty nice out. Munch on that part.
Look, let's see if it'll pat it down. I'm Sierra Vlog Takeover. Currently gonna go do a little dip in the water.